This is stereo, 1080p, 30 frames per second on medium. See what we get for gimbal noise and wind noise. What are you doing, Reagan? What are you doing? Reagan, come here. Oh, blocked. Whoa. Come on. Okay, so back at it here, 1080p, talking behind the mic, 30 frames per second medium. Got the audio on wind only. We'll do another walkabout here. Come on, Reagan. Come here, Reagan. Reagan, don't go on the road. Come on. Come on, don't go on the road. It's only about 10 degrees out, so. Okay, we're back on stereo. Felt a little breeze coming this way, so I wanted to test it out again. Hey, BB. Come on, Reagan. So my conclusion on this sound test is that it's not, I mean, you can hear gimbal noise, but it's not distractingly loud. The thumps and the bangs on stereo were definitely a lot more obvious. Walking, any kind of a stutter or a thump on the screen caused that thudding sound. The stereo was definitely more pronounced, but the wind was a little bit less, but still I could hear the motors running. Not, again, as I say, not distractingly so, but enough that it's there. I'm getting a new G5 today. It's supposed to be here today through UPS, so I'm just waiting on them. I'm going to give that a test because I've heard that's got some really brutal gimbal motor noise in it with the Hero 5. And the Hero 5 is just a touchy thing anyway, so we'll see how that goes once that gets here. And on a side note, I would have to say Automatic's the absolute worst. That seemed to pick up everything. That's why I skipped right over that. It was almost useless and went right to the wind and the stereo only tests.